2.0. I just won Page Hat 2.0. Woohoo! That, my friends, was a quick preview of Letspinio. That's what I'm going to be talking about right now. I'm going to get right into this review and demo and show you how you can get 300% more opt-ins versus traditional pages. It's just what you were looking at. So let's talk first about why you should build an email list. Now, email marketing, we know, outperforms any other type of retargeting strategies. You're looking at a 3,800% ROI, really, really huge. Now, the benefits are you own your own email list. And the fact is, it's an asset worth $20 per subscriber per year. Now, if you do the math on that, you can see that you can really make quite a living with an email list. It's the cheapest way to communicate, it's easy to use, and it's fast. And another thing is that sending emails builds trust. Now, your list can engage massive amounts of revenue in just a few hours. An email has the highest return on investment of any marketing technique. This has been proven over and over again. It gives you a way to drive traffic to any page that you want. So really the versatility is there. But the facts are, and as I've experienced, and I'm sure you've experienced, building a list is not easy. Now, you have to build opt-in pages, you need page building skills, you need copywriting skills, you need to get your visitors to actually take the action that you want them to take, and they'll need to leave their email address for you. So you have to gain trust from your visitors. You have to provide a ton of value in exchange for their email address. Now, opt-in percents, the fact is that they average just 3%. So you have to run a lot of traffic to your opt-in pages to get a decent amount of opt-ins. So traditional opt-in pages actually fail to convert. This is kind of the bad news. Often they're considered really intrusive. On average, they're only a 3% opt-in, and it takes a lot of time to build pages that in the end aren't converting the way that you want them to. So you're spending money on ads to grow your list, but it doesn't make sense with these types of numbers. You're only looking at 3%. So let's talk about how we build a list fast without breaking the bank. And here's where Letspinio comes in. Now, it gets their attention right away, just as you saw in the beginning of this video. Ding, 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 ding. Who doesn't like to hear that beautiful sound, just like you're at the slot machine waiting to see what you're going to win? It really, really has the power to grab attention. It's the wow factor that is unprecedented on the internet. When I first saw this, I was absolutely blown away. I was like, oh yeah, cool. And I've also seen that each time you spin it, it'll land on something different. So it's really kind of fun. It uses gamification to really entice your visitors to take action. And of course, just like those gambling machines or just like the sugar and Coca-Cola, it gets your visitors hooked. And it's totally customizable. Now, you can give multiple attractive incentives, but you only have to give it to one subscriber. And really that excitement factor is really there. I want you to look at the test that we just did. So here's the results for now. This is really fun. We did a 17.58% opt-in rate. These are phenomenal numbers. That's nearly 6 times more than the 3% of traditional opt-in pages. So take a look at that. This is the proof. These are just the email addresses that came through. And it was really exciting to just go ahead and get this going and see that people are really grabbing onto it. They're really liking it. Now, it does work on any browser device and platform. So take a look at these stats here that I've pulled from my analytics inside Letspinio. You can see that most of my visitors are coming off of the Chrome browser. And you can see that most are coming from a desktop. So we've got a 72% as opposed to a 27% there on the mobile. And then you can see the platform-wise visitors. You can see that we've got a lot of people using different types of platform, but mainly Windows 10. So this is an example of what you'll see inside Letspinio, inside your statistics or your analytics there. Now, I like to show this because this just shows a really quick rundown. With LetX products, we like to do comparisons because anytime there's competition, we always know that LetX is going to come up with something better. And that's exactly what's happened here with Letspinio. Just take a look here. You're looking at, on the purple, you're seeing Letspinio, and the orange is competition. And over here on the left side, you can see the features. So we're talking about all websites, product type, plugins, and you just look down there and you're going to see the check marks in the green as opposed to the competition who has quite a few red X's, meaning that that's not included. We're also talking about reminder widget, follow-up widget, scarcity bar, countdown timers, built-in library, cookie-based global timers, multiple campaigns at a time, lots of different things here. Fully customizable fortune wheel, advanced background customization. I'm kind of bouncing around, but you can see, look for the green checks. That's what you're looking for, okay, to look at the comparison of features. Letspinio has the most and the best. Let's see, we've got more here. Done for you wheel. We've got that in Letspinio. Multiple action types to win. Advanced formatting, daily, weekly email reports, detailed campaign reporting, advanced show up conditions, repeat show up conditions, advanced URL targeting, removable customizable branding, display wheel on the third-party website, also advanced social shares on third-party special campaigns, white label domain, user card, email integration, Zapier integration, Usign integration, autoresponder integration. I mean, the list just goes on. Go to webinar integration, webinars and ever webinar integration, also buffer integration, social profiles, and of leads via full contact. Sorry, I'm trying to read through there really quick because I know that you're valuable on time as well. Look at the green checks. That's what you're looking for. Let's get right in here to the demo. Okay, I'm going to show you right inside Letspinio. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you the dashboard here. Now, if you're familiar with LetX products, you'll see that the dashboard is very familiar, and you'll be able to catch up right away and understand exactly what's going on. You'll see your overall stats here, and then you'll also see that we have 128 unique views. This just kind of shows you where you're at. 23 total emails we've gathered from this just one test, one very small test, and it is 17% rate, opt-in rate there. So really, really good numbers. Now you can also see the steps here. You're going to just set up your domain profile. You're going to set up your pixel, customize the wheel theme, and create a wheel campaign. If you look below here, you'll see the 30-day statistics, so you can see what's happening there. And then below that, you can see the last few campaigns. So you can see what's happening here. We've run a campaign and go in from there. Let's go into settings. I'm going to go right into the pixel. This is where you're basically going to just take this code right here, this script, and you're going to put that in your header HTML. So that's how you're going to add Letspinio to your website. We're going to go into campaigns, and I'm going to show you that. Into wheel campaigns, you can see right here, these are the wheel campaigns. We just have one because I've just run one so far. You can go into themes, and this is fun because you'll be able to see the different themes that you've created. You can do My Wheels, or there's Done For You Wheels, which is fun because if you don't want to take the time and create your own colors, you've got these already ready for you. And then also there's the Wheel Template Club. Now, I don't have access on this one, but that's where if you purchase that upsell, you'll be able to have that template club loaded right in there. So we're going to go into Edit. And here you can see this is in creating a new wheel. You can just go ahead and select your items, call it a name, give it a name, go in and select your image. You can select all these different things, choose from your library. You can upload these different ones. And then you can change your pointer image if you want, change all these ones. You can just see that in here you can customize this quite how the way you like it, so your wheel's going to look different from any others. Change your slices, your background. You can either do a background image or you can just make it a solid color if you want. You can also choose from library. These are the different images that are already in there. We go into form, and this is where you can have the guiding text. You can have a button. You can have a no thanks, formatting. All of that is included in here. And then in miscellaneous, I've gone ahead and added the snow effect. That's this over here, seeing the snow coming down. Kind of gives it more attention. And then also you can play sound or you can turn the sound off. And then for those of you techies, the custom CSS is also in here. Go ahead and save our changes. And then it shows, of course, the wheel's been edited. And I'm going to go over here. This is the wheel campaign, and this, of course, shows what you have in here. I can go to Edit. I can choose the wheel theme. This is where I put the campaign name. Then I can go into wheel slices here. And this is going to show basically the percentage of times that people, when they spin it, that they'll win whatever items you've selected. So it's really important. What I want to point out right here is that you don't want to put any percentage on your no prize. And the reason behind that is that every time somebody comes to your website to opt in, you want them to win something. So use psychology here, and don't make it so that they're winning nothing, because if they're winning nothing, they're not going to come back. You're not going to be popular. So you want to be able to give them something. And if you've got an item that's worth a lot, like coaching or something really highly valuable, you don't want to give that away a lot if it's going to cost you a lot. So if there's something you want to give away and put on the wheel, but you only want to give it away every blue moon, that's where you're going to select your percentages in here. Okay, this is fun because you can add your logo in here. I've added my logo Kimberly, just like this, and you can add your logo in there as well, however you want. And then you can put your title in here. So I put Win with Kimberly. And then you can put guiding text in here. This is like your special gift. And then you can right here have the input fields to what you want to show here. So you've got field, the type, the required, and the actions. We can add new on here and show you. So you can do drop down, URL, email, or text. Select what you want there. And then you can put terms and a policy acknowledgement here as well. So that's important to note. This is the button text. So on mine I have spin now. And then you can put a disclaimer or rules, because some of you might have rules that you want to implement there, and you can put those in there as well. If you have, when it comes to the no thanks text, you can just decide, okay, we're going to go to the offer. If they say no thanks, they don't want to spin. Then you can show the cross icon besides the no thanks text. You can either toggle that on or off, and then conversion element, you can add that or leave it off. Here's a countdown timer or a scarcity bar. This helps with getting them to go ahead and spin that wheel. And then here is the text that you can put in, left to spin, just to kind of give them some direction. And then here's the timer duration. You can decide how long you want that available there. Go to next. Okay, here's a preview. So this is what we've just set up. You can see the preview of how it's going to be loading. So if ever you need to change anything, just come back in here and take a look at the previews to see how it's going to load. Going into advanced settings, this is where you can have your URL settings. So here, for example, we've got Letspinio, because this is where we're placing the spinner. And then we've got desktop show conditions. So we want to say after so much time on the page. We're going to say after 10 seconds. That's when it's going to show. Mobile show up conditions. You can actually change that and customize that. I love that part because people may be less patient on the mobile and whatnot, or vice versa. Repeat show up conditions. You can say, hey, I want it to repeat after so much time. I want it to, customize it however you want there. You can show an enticing widget on the direct close. I'm going to see if I can show you that widget right over here. So this here is the widget. Play the wheel and win a discount. So I've got that as a red button there. That's the widget that I'm talking about. Now you can also customize that widget. So right now I have it listed as a hello bar, but you can change that as well. You can change it to a chiclet or these other options. Here's where you put the text. And then you can change the position of where it's located, and you can have your call to action text down here as well. Here's the button colors. Change the colors as you like, and then of course you can toggle that on or off as far as the reminder. And then enabling integrations, of course I've added a Weber and the list that I want any of those opt-ins to go into. I'm going to go ahead and save. And then this generates the theme data, and of course that's been edited. And then I can go back to preview to check what's going on. Going into library, you can see all of these different awesome wheels, the pointers, the shadows if you want to add on there, opt-in backgrounds. So this just shows you how you can customize the look and feel of your Letspinio. Here's the email autoresponders that are connectable. Active Campaign, a Weber, GetResponse, MailChimp, iContact, SendLane, and MailerLite are all there. Webinar integrated with GoToWebinar there. and Shopify as well, for those of you that like Shopify. Now keep in mind I am using the gold version, so make sure that you check. I'm using the agency gold. So the items that you're seeing in this demo may be different from what you purchase. Make sure that you read the sales page on what you purchase. Okay, I'm going to go into other here. So these are others, again, in the version that I have. I've got Full Contact, Zapier, I've got Usign, I've got Buffer, and Segmate. All of these basically integrated. Really, really nice. Okay, and that concludes this demo. I'm glad you got to take a look at this and see kind of how it works. Okay, so let's talk about the price development. The card opens on the 17th of February at 11 a.m. You're going to be offered the basic version at $24 and the elite version at $27. The early bird front-end price for the first 4 hours, pay attention, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. is $27. So you're going to want to, that's for the elite version. You're going to want to get that early. Don't wait on that, as price is going to be increasing on September 17th at 3 p.m. And that's going to last until the 18th. And then there's going to be another price rise there to $29, so get in early. Upsell number 1, let's take you through that. This is the Platinum. You've got 3 options, Silver, Gold, or Platinum. There's the prices there. You're going to get an outsourcer license with unlimited users and access level roles. You get a reminder widget, scarcity bars, follow-up widget, countdown timers, advanced show-up conditions for desktop and mobile. You're getting advanced display URL targeting, detailed reporting, show the Let Spin wheel on click and load up widget. You're getting customizable floating widget, one-click clone campaigns, so you can clone those quickly, campaign-specific multi-action automations, wheel animations, wheel sounds. This is so fun. No branding, so you don't need to have the Letspinio on there. Daily and weekly email reports. You get repeat show-up conditions and lead generation masterclass. So really packed full on the upsell number 1. I'd highly recommend that one. Upsell number 2 is Jacker. You're going to be able to run Let Spin campaigns on any third-party website. So for those of you that are all into that, loading on other people's websites, let's go with that. Third-party websites. White label domain name, detailed reporting and stats, integration with Buffer, unlimited domain license, custom CSS, remove the branding. I know a lot of you are big on that. Full contact integration, customized branding, Facebook and other social media sharing, customizable there, emoji integration, detailed user card, and done for you lead magnet vault. The basic is $47, the pro is $57, and the platinum is $87. That's for the upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is a template club. I know a lot of you love this. This is something where you get templates delivered to you and really makes it handy and takes the think work out of it. Professionally designed Letspinio templates. You're getting 100 templates with commercial license. UK and US, all major calendar events are covered. Facebook 7-figure VIP group is also included in there. For the basic, you're talking $77. For the commercial license, $97. That's for the template club. Upsell number 4 is Letspinio Agency. For all of you agencies out there, it's an easy way to earn 4 figures every month. This is really how you can get it going with the agency version, as you all know. Up to 500 agency accounts there. Locker Kosh, we handle the support, so you don't have to worry about that. Basic is $297, Pro is $397, Platinum is $497. That's for agency, and that's the upsell number 4. Let's talk about the bonuses that you're going to get with Letspinio. Of course, we've given you a great bonus package here, as we love to do so for our loyal customers. So the first one we're going to give you is the intro videos for use with Letspinio. You're getting 38 intro videos with commercial rights. Again, that means that you can use them how you want them for other items, and 7 green screen intro videos so you can put on your own background. That's a huge value there being thrown in. Fast action bonus number 2 is the outro videos. My outro videos, 15 of them with commercial rights, and it's perfect for getting your customers to take your critical call to action. $97 value thrown in for you. Pay chat's being thrown in for you. You're getting full screen call to actions in less than 60 seconds. This is really a beautiful one. And guess what? This is the agency license. So I know I've had a lot of requests for the agency license, and so we've decided to throw that in for you guys. Fast action bonus number 4 is Let Sharer. This is how you can create clickable link posts in Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. And it is able to pull hundreds of Facebook users to your opt-in page or any other URL you choose. The thing I love about this, we're throwing it in and there's no technical skills required. So all of you newbies out there, that you're getting as bonus. Fast action bonus number 5 is Meme Treasure. It's a 300 plus base viral memes to help you create unlimited memes to share. And you get that thrown in. It's a $67 value. Fast action bonus number 6, Viral Social Spy. So you're going to search Facebook for viral images, ads, and keywords and selected hot websites with opt-ins that are time and relevant there. Well, Viral Social Spy. Getting a little tongue-tied. Bonus number 7. This tool helps in downloading Instagram images and videos. This is a $67 value. That's being thrown in, and there is no Instagram API required on that. Fast action bonus number 8 is Instant Squeeze Page Builder. You do get the developer license, and you get to use this tool for commercial purposes as well. $67 value thrown in. Number 9 is 10K Email Manifesto. So this is an info product, and it's going to teach you the real path to scale a business, and it also includes some case studies on how a newbie, just like you may be, scaled his business up to 5 figures per month. Really valuable there to be able to see how that was done. Fast action bonus number 10, ready to use and deploy profitable follow-up sequence. You can do that. There's a $47 value thrown in for you. And fast action number 11 is a collection of swipe files. This is really helpful because professional copywriters have been included in there so that you can see what swipe files for email are working well. Number 12, uncover the secrets of a product going viral with Viral Secret Exposed. That's a $47 value thrown in. Number 13, learn how to target your audience with Facebook ads. So a lot of people have asked about Facebook ads. We've thrown that in there for you, a $47 value. Number 14 is the Conversion Samurai package. You can learn how to increase your conversions and get the most out of your marketing, a $47 value thrown in. Here's your bonus with Letspinio OTO1 when you buy from my link. I always love to help my customers personally, one-on-one. It's my favorite thing to do in the world. So occasionally we'll offer this, and we're doing it today. This is any upsell, you get my voice. And this is a custom 2-minute voiceover. When you get 2 upsells, I'm going to double that for you and give you 4 minutes of voiceover time. So you can use my voice for your product or service. If you get the agency license, when you pick that up, you're going to be able to be coached by Danny DeVries and myself, my partner and husband in marketing, and we will coach you to your 6-figure dream. It is a 30-minute one-on-one Skype call. You can ask us anything. We do like to know the background of what you're doing so we can advise you properly, but you can double your revenue really with the reveal tips that we will reveal on that one 30-minute call that we will not ever reveal publicly. That's a $997 value, 30 minutes coaching with Danny and myself. I want to thank you for taking a look at Letspinio. I do want to remind you that bonus access is inside JVZoo. So after you purchase, you just log into JVZoo in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click Looking for Your Purchases, locate the product you purchased, go to Details. That's where you're going to find the bonus access page. Hey, if you have questions, please don't email me personally, because I do answer those personally and I don't want to miss your email. Email support@resource.zendesk.com. Make sure that when you make your purchase, you see the affiliate ID 398549. That's going to appear before you actually go into PayPal. So it's on your purchase screen at the bottom. Take a look for that. Again, I want to thank you for joining, and I hope you just love Letspinio as much as I do.